Hi, I'm Stacey, and on this episode of Serve It, we're going to celebrate spring brunch with an egg white frittata that we're going to do with some of my favorite spring vegetables, and we're going to serve them muffin style. You can shop everything you see by going to qvc.com, search Serve It. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all our socials. Let's begin by prepping our vegetables. So cherry tomatoes are sweet. You could also use grape tomatoes. Make them small and bite-sized. You're gonna do about a half a cup of these. Next, you wanna take fresh basil, about 3 tablespoons worth. Oh, the smell is so great. It smells like spring. Sometimes I like to just roll up the leaves. Then you're gonna take about a cup of broccoli florets, bite-sized pieces, 1 clove of fresh garlic, and mince that up. Finally, you're gonna take about a half a cup of frozen spinach. You wanna make sure when you thaw it out that you squeeze out all the liquid. You don't want a runny frittata. Now we're gonna make the egg white mixture. So you need 24 large eggs to get through this recipe. Do 2 at a time in a smaller bowl. That way, in case you get some eggshell in there, it's gonna be easier to fish out. So now the best part, the cheese. About a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And the key here is fresh. A little black pepper, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Whisk that up. Don't overwork your egg whites too much. Just make sure everything's incorporated. So now it's time to build the frittatas. I use a silicone muffin pan because it's gonna make an easy release of the individual frittatas. Just fill each one about halfway up. Now we're going to top this off with our egg whites. Pour the egg white to the top, covering your veggies. All right, there you have it. Now what you're gonna do is just pop this into a 350-degree oven and bake it for about 15-20 minutes. And our frittatas are done. Ooh, nice and browned over top. That's the Parmesan cheese, looks really good. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna build a beautiful way to serve our mini frittatas. Get a colorful plate or a cake dish. I love the robin's egg blue. Take spinach leaves, place them to build a bed of green. Usually if you get a bag of baby spinach, it'll be perfect and just enough to fill up a cake plate. All right, these have cooled slightly, which is gonna make it easier for them to release. Just gently pop out your frittatas, and you're going to place them on top of your bed of greens. You could do that, or you should probably taste test it, right? That's what this one's for. Just a little sampling. Make sure everything came out right. Look at that, perfectly cooked, the egg's all done, ooey gooey cheese, even that tomato roasted down. So good. Who needs utensils when you have finger food? So there you go, voila, we showed you how to make it and now how to serve it. And don't forget to check out my friend Alberti to see how to build a beautiful tablescape for your next spring brunch.